Yo, man, like my window was like super bright, like trying to work on the computer, man. So I had to put like a little shade of it. That's all I had. But anyway, man, from the help of you guys, man, I get asked the two most obvious questions, man, that anybody who has a car or a situation or want to be part of something, man, usually ask. I get asked, man, what car clubs are in my area, and then I also get asked what repair places are in my area. Um, from the help of you guys, man, I built like a little following on Instagram, built a little following on YouTube, man. A couple of my videos did pretty nice. I got like 5,000 followers on Instagram, man. And I only post 300s. And usually my videos on YouTube are about Chrysler 300s, man. So I got a whole bunch of people, hitting me up, asking me different questions, but it's always about car clubs and repair shops. So what I did is, man, I need you guys to rock with it. I need you guys to go put in your information, man. It's all free for right now. I'm gonna monetize it later, man, but I need to get it going. The300directory.com. You go there, put in your information. I'm gonna tally up different states, different areas, repair places. If you're taking a trip and you need to go find somebody to go cruise with, you're going to be able to find it there. If you need a car club, you're going to be able to find it there. It's all Chrysler 300 people, man. Just put in your information, man. Go there, the300directory.com, the300directory.com. There'll be a link in the description. Also, man, I'll put like a QR code on the screen, so all you got to do is scan it on your phone if you're watching on like a computer or your TV. And yeah, man, go there. I'm going to build it out. It's nothing right now. It's no video, no graphics, nothing. I'm just going to collect information. But then after that, man, you guys already know, man, you're going to be able to go to different states and see who has 300s in the area, get their Instagram, get in communication with them. You're going to be able to, find dope ass repair places that are certified and reputable and know how to fix 300s. And my goal is to ultimately have like a price list of all the prices for the repairs, so you already know what they are before you even go in there. Discounts, collabs, all that type of stuff, man. But we're going to start at the300directory.com. Go there right now, man. I appreciate you guys. Only if you got a 300, man. I'm going to verify with your Instagram or whatever that you got a 300 so you can, post and all that stuff and be part of the community and all that. But, man, we're going to get it going. I think this is going to be a super dope situation, man. I got like 3 stages like already ahead, man, but I'm trying to just get the foundation straight, so I need all the information to start up. And like I said, we're going to monetize it. We're going to get to a point where I don't want to say too much. I don't want to say. Just go there, the300directory.com. I appreciate you guys, and subscribe, like, comment, all that type of stuff. All right, peace.